Hi, I'm Des Gosling, and this is a Easy Ramp, which is our product which can convert a manual ramp in a wheelchair accessible vehicle. In this case, it's a Ford Tourneo Connect from Automotive Group. And it starts off its life as a manual ramp, and we've added this electrical system here, which is a automatically electrically operated powered ramp, which you've got a remote control for, or a manual switch here, so you've got either option. So to lift up the ramp, we just press and hold. Lifts the ramp up. You can either do this with a single folding ramp, or in this case, a bifolding ramp. We've got two systems available. So this closes down, automatically locks the ramp into position firmly and securely, and then we've got the powered boot opener, which has been added to this vehicle also, so that the whole system's electrically controlled. So this one, press the key fob on the cart, and that closes the boot automatically. All done.